Welcome to Paragon Inn Hillsboro, your ideal destination for comfort and convenience in Hillsboro, Ohio. Whether you're here for business or leisure, our hotel offers a welcoming stay. We provide essential amenities to make your stay stress-free. Enjoy free Wi-Fi, free parking, and accessible facilities for all guests. Our non-smoking rooms come with air conditioning, coffee machine, microwave, refrigerator, and private bathrooms. Additional features include daily housekeeping, vending machine for drinks, and TV for your entertainment. While staying with us, explore nearby attractions like the scenic Rocky Fork Lake and the Highland County Historical Society Museum. Enjoy outdoor activities, or visit local parks and hiking trails for some fresh air. Located with easy access to highways, reaching us is quick and simple. Whether it's a business trip or a weekend getaway, Paragon Inn Hillsboro promises a comfortable, memorable stay. Book today at Paragon Inn Hillsboro, where comfort meets convenience. Visit our website by clicking the link in the description below.